Ballast removal and replacement. Disconnect power to the frame. Remove the zipper strips and the contact plates covering the frame or mullion raceway. Each mullion or frame section contains more than one ballast. Locate the ballast in need of replacement. Unplug the lower 8-pin connector by pressing down on the connector latch and gently pulling the two connectors apart. Unplug the upper 3-pin connector by pulling the pin and receptacle plugs apart. Using a Phillips head screwdriver, loosen the screw securing the lower portion of the ballast to the raceway and remove the ballast from the frame. Set the screws aside for reuse. Place the replacement ballast in the raceway in the same configuration that the removed ballast was in prior to its removal. Align the ballast mounting hole with the mounting hole in the raceway and tighten the screw. Reacquire the 3-pin conductor push wire connector and mate it with a 3-pin plug connector from the replacement ballast. Insert all 3 pins from the male plug into the 3 female connector receptacles until the male plug snaps into place. Reacquire the female 8-pin frame connector and mate it with the 8-pin male connector from the replacement ballast. Insert all of the pins from the male plug into the 8 female connector receptacles until the male plug snaps into place or is secure. Carefully place the wire assembly back into the frame and replace the zipper strips and the contact plates covering the frame or mullion raceway.